Welcome back friends, welcome to another tutorial of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily link a certain time in a YouTube video in the comment section. So let's get started. First of all, what we need to do is we have to find a suitable video that we want to add a certain time comment on that video. So we are going to find that video. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to click on home and we are going to find that video. And here, this is the video, the first video that we want, and just open that video. And we are going to now, we need to find a suitable time, and that time, if we want to add a comment, just we will forward it. So we are going to pause that video, and 3:33 is the time that we want to add a comment. So what we need to do is we have to write 3:33, and after that we have to put our comment, that whatever comment we want to add, just add that comment, and after that click on enter. And here you see your comment is shown, and here you see the time is linked to this comment. So whoever see your comment, and if they want to see what time you are writing that comment about, so just they are going to click on that time and they will reach to that video time location. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.